Hi, it's Jay Young again with Roofing Solutions with another look at a roof that's got some serious damage. We're looking at a roof here that has rotten wood underneath the decking, and that's why you see the depression in these tiles, in these shingles here. It usually happens around fireplace flashing and around a gutter where the water is leaking underneath the shingles. So you can see here that the shingles are depressed right around the chimney here, which is causing wood to rotten out. So far no leaks, but that will change.